Jackie Bull, up until tomorrow, I'm a civil servant. Then I'm a retired civil servant. It's a small farm, 56 acres, South Wales Valleys, up a rather difficult, challenging track. You need a four-wheel drive vehicle to get up it to start with. When I'm here on my own, it's mainly emails, catching up on iPlayer if I've been away. But in the summer, the family come to visit. They want to get on their games and they were coming, oh, I can't get on, it won't work quick enough, or my people won't kill each other quick enough, or whatever. It was things like if I wanted to watch something on iPlayer, it would do the sort of freeze up and the little twirly thing. Well, I never got beyond about 2 meg, and often not much more than 0.5 meg. I don't know what the megs were doing, but they didn't sound big enough. Well, because I had the old hub, it was just a case of unplug one and put the other one in. Well, I hope to be able to keep the kids more occupied when they're here. They expect it to happen because they're used to sort of 20, 30, 40 megs and can't understand that if this one's on it and that one's on it, it's a bit too slow for them. Well, it's got to be better, hasn't it? If it's available, I don't see why not to have it.